week number 8 of me growing out my natural nails. I am ready to go back to Builder Gel. If you haven't watched my short I just posted, I did go back to normal nail polish and now I want to go back to Builder Gel because my nails are feeling weak and weird without it. I've been wearing Builder Gel for a long time. As you can see, I am firstly going in with some acetone on a cotton pad and I am just wiping all of that nail polish away. My nails are making steady and smooth progress. I am so happy with how my journey is going. Though they do feel weak just because I'm used to the Builder Gel, they are growing beautifully. So I'm going to quickly file and shape my nails back into that rounded oval shape and then buff them through. If you are not aware and you are trying to grow your nails, the best shape you could possibly do for your nails is a rounded or oval or almond shape. The roundness of the edges is what's going to retain your length. It's less likely that you're going to get your nails caught on anything on the sides that's going to rip them off. So round off the edges of your nails. And make sure you're not skipping on buffing your nails. That's also very important to helping keep them nice and smooth and preventing any unwanted rough edges. One thing I am keeping in mind is trying to protect my skin from the constant use of my UV lamp. So I'm going in with some SPF to protect my skin. Okay, so to finish off with my nail prep, I'm going to go in with some base gel and I'm going to apply that neatly on all of my nails and cure that for 60 seconds. For my nail design this week, I'm going to keep it really simple. I'm just using a white and a nude color. And of course, I have my super thin DIY brush that I just cut off the extra bristles to make it super thin. So starting off with a thin slip layer of that Builder Gel, I'm going in gently and sparingly to create what's called a slip layer. And this is going to help the actual bulky Builder Gel application. If you're new to Builder Gel, I'd recommend you watch my week 1 or week 3 videos or shorts because I talk a little bit more in detail about how to apply Builder Gel. Basically, the main principles to follow are that Builder Gel is not the same as normal gel, so don't try and go in with a lot of product and brush it on. The best you can do is gently glide on top of your slip layer from side to side until you reach the free edge of your nail. It does take a little bit of practice. I am still working on my application, but I will say it is getting easier with every single application I do. And make sure to turn your finger down so that the products can evenly disperse on the apex of your nail, and then go in with a thin brush around the edges of your nail to fill in the edges. I like to use my thumb or a cuticle pusher to just scrape the excess from the side skin of my nails. And that's basically it. I will cure that for 60 seconds and repeat that for each of my nails. If you're interested in this Builder Gel that I'm using, I will link below my Amazon link so you can check it out because I absolutely love this color. I think it suits perfectly to my skin tone, and the set also includes other colors that suit basically every single skin tone. So I will link that below. So now I'm going in with this white gel. The applicator is really super helpful because it shapes in a long stranded kind of brush. So I can easily do some cute half French tip kind of nail design. I felt like being minimalistic. I think simple designs can be super classy and just suit basically anything. Once that's done, I cured that for 60 seconds and then I went in with a top coat. I always like to be generous with my top coats just to make sure that I've covered every bit of the color gel, and then I will cure that for 60 seconds. Okay, so this is what they look like fresh out of the LED lamp. It's time to go in for some cuticle oil. If you're also on a nail growth journey, don't forget to be consistent with your cuticle oil application. That is the key secret to nail growth. Every night, just spare 2 minutes to quickly massage some cuticle oil in your cuticles, and you'll be good to go and have some healthy, strong nails. And that is basically it, guys. That is week 7 of me growing out my nails. We are making steady progress, and I am really happy with my results. I will see you in my next update, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!